Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Overwatch to black screen. Problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then go to after that go to startup apps. Now turn off all the applications that you don't want it to start when you start your PC, like Spotify, Skype and stuff like that. Then go to background apps, turn off the first option, go back, go to Windows Update settings. Now check for updates and make sure to install all the updates for your Windows that you can find in the settings. Then go to Shifters, check for updates, install the latest updates for your graphics card, and that's it. Then your problem must be fixed. Just restart your PC and try again, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.